Hello and welcome to Thrively. Thrively was founded on the core philosophy that every child has a genius and they deserve to thrive. We do this by identifying strengths, supporting well-being, and instilling hope. Our mission is to bring a paradigm shift into education through asset-based learning. With a strengths-based approach, every community is valuable. Every person has strengths and potential. Thrively is designed to help you set goals, and most importantly, to celebrate every step you take towards achieving them. Let's take a look at Alondra's account. From her dashboard, we'll access her digital portfolio. If we click on Goals, it will lead us to any of the goals Alondra has. As you can see, Alondra has a public speaking goal, a goal for communicating and collaborating effectively, and a goal for self-understanding. You can see that some of these goals have been assigned to her by a teacher or a staff member, while others she created herself. In order for Alondra to create another goal, she'll simply go to Add a Goal. She'll then add a goal title, add an image, select a target date, and press Save. Setting up the goal is the easy part. The most important thing is to take action, to take steps you need to reach your goal. We call these highlights. Alondra took steps to improve her public speaking goals by joining the debate team, auditioning for a play, speaking at her leadership ceremony, and getting second place in the debate competition. She made an effort. She put herself out there in joining the debate team, trying out for a play. She put in the work to make progress. We want you to celebrate every highlight, every step you take in order to accomplish your goals. Now let's go make some progress.